No permits will be granted for parties in Jamaica this Christmas. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF is reminding members of the public that no permits have been granted for the hosting of parties during the Christmas season. Speaking at a meeting on Friday, December the 10th, head of the JCF Safety and Public Enforcement Traffic Branch, Assistant Commissioner ACP Gary Mackenzie, said that the JCF will strictly enforce the Disaster Risk Management Act, especially where gatherings of persons are concerned.
In our plans and in our activities as police officers, we generally put more persons on the roadways. And so we tune down administration and we ask many of our officers who do administration work to be out on the streets to complement the police officers that are already on operational duties.
Under the Disaster Risk Management Act, the general public gathering limit remains the 10. The limit on the number of individuals in attendance at a place of worship remains at 100. However, no crusade, conference, or conventions are permitted.
What we do is to ensure that there's more presence from traffic officers, from highway patrols, and we do a lot of speed checks. We know that it is a happy season as well, and so persons tend to drink a little more. And so our breathalyzer enforcement activities are also heightened.
The number of people permitted to physically attend a wedding remains at 100, so too the limit on the number of persons physically attending annual general meeting. ACP Mackenzie noted that those who breach the gathering limit will be charged. ACP Mackenzie said that the Jamaica Constabulary Force anticipate the cooperation of citizens as it seeks to ensure that all Jamaicans have a safe and enjoyable Christmas. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.